fireworks for Hong Kong! Woo! Everyone loves fireworks, right? Well, good news for fireworks lovers. The Hong Kong government just approved 1.09 billion Hong Kong dollars to boost tourism, including regular monthly fireworks displays over Victoria Harbour. Monthly fireworks? Yes! And they will add drone shows every month too. Those are so cool! The Symphony of Lights show across the Hong Kong skyline will also be updated. That's good because it's pretty lame right now and has very low reviews everywhere for being underwhelming. Just look at these comments. Ouch. Why more shows? Well, it's worked elsewhere. Fireworks festivals in Japan attract over 1 million visitors every year. Places like Kobe Port and the Sumida River have all seen higher levels of tourism and a boosted profile with fireworks during the summer. Nothing beats great fireworks and a drone and city skyline light show to bring people back to Hong Kong. Right? Now hold on, not everyone is jumping out of their boots. Edwin Lau of the Green Earth has warned that smoke and particulate matter from fireworks could cause various respiratory diseases and affect water quality. More coughing? Worse pollution? Edwin Lau stated that when setting off fireworks, there will be sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide in the air, as well as other pollutants, such as suspended particles, all added for special effects, gorgeous colors, etc. So, is this a tough one? Will one fantastic show a month, hopefully, really mess with the air? Will it really help boost tourism in Hong Kong? What do you think?